How to recover deleted Instagram chats. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can recover deleted Instagram chats. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, open up your Insta. On Insta, head over to bottom right corner on your profile. Then tap on the three lines on the top right. After you do that, you'll find Account Center or Meta's Account Center on the top. Tap on that. After you tap on that, you can then scroll down and there you'll find your information and permission. Tap on that as well. Then you'll see an option that says download your information. Tap on it and you'll be redirected to this file. Now what you can do is tap on download or transfer information and select your Instagram's account, then tap on next. Now you can choose which you want to download. You can download some of your information. From that way you can only download your messages. Select messages from here. You'll find messages somewhere around here. You can scroll down. There we go. Then tap on next and then request the information. So select download to device and then create files. You can also choose the date range of which you want to download the messages of. So you can select the custom dates here. You can do from few days to up to from the beginning of the account. Then tap on create files. When the download is ready, they will send you a notification and you can download it from right here. And that's how you do it. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.